Creality has asked me to look at their LD-002H. It's their monochrome printer. So let's first do an unboxing. Let's open it up here. Sure nothing falls out. Ooh, cardboard, don't worry. Power cord. Service card. The manual. All the little goodies, toys, filters, scrapers. Oh, look at this. Didn't expect this. And it's the step, I believe. Yeah. So, very nice. All right, let's go a little deeper in here. Okay. If I put that out first. Go ahead and pull this guy out. All right, and here it is. That's the rest of it. Move this out of the way. All right, let's open up the plastic here. So first of all, it's really nice to pack. Look at that. From inside as well. Let's open up the top.
Nicely packed in foam.
Yeah, as Rylan said, nicely packed in foam. Pull it off. Main V-rail here.
You're gonna find
As you can see, it's a linear rail. Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Rylan spotted the top plate. We saw the build plate. There we go. All right, so that's basically it. That's everything that comes in it. Yeah, we can give it a turn on. Thanks, Alex, for plugging it in. Yeah, that's actually one thing that you might want to take a look at. Check it out. It actually does not have an inline power adapter. It uses a standard, whatever industrial plug. I don't know what these are. Computer heating. So it's got that going for it, which is really nice. Let's give it a turn on. As you can see, it's really quiet. There's the beat, but the fans, nothing really. Let's go ahead and move this thing up on the Z-axis.
You can only really hear it if you go really slow.
So the stepper is obviously a little louder, but not too bad still. I'm going to move it out of the way so I can get this VAT up there. So let's go ahead and take this off. So it's got the posts that are embedded in the VAT itself. Sometimes they'll come out of the actual base here. Sometimes they're completely different. So I'm going to put this on its side so we don't damage the cup. And here's that protective film I was talking about that comes on the screen. Right here. So let's go ahead and do the exposure test. I guess this is it, calibrated here. Yeah, 15 seconds is way too long. 5 or 4. We'll go ahead and tilt it so you can get a shot of it. Hit next. And boom, there it is. I see the typical Shy-2 square. The Shy-2 firmware often shows this square, and that's exactly what I saw on the screen. Just like all my other printers, and it actually looks pretty even. So that's pretty much it. I guess I could run the clean VAT function here just to get the full screen test. Just give that a go. Something again so you can see. Getting that. Yeah, full screen. Looks extremely even. No grid pattern of any sort. So, okay, there we go. And that is the unboxing of the LD-002H.